welcome to Blunt with Kay. We are off to
Helsinki.
yes.
Helsinki.
But where are we going? Navigating on no sleep. This one woke without alarm. अपने आप I don't know how this boy did it. 2:30 बजे उठ के बाहर आ गया था. We are done with immigration. We are done with security.
We're done with everything.
Yes.
We're just at the gates and walking through the whole airport.
What are we doing right now? Walking through the whole airport. Yeah, he just said that.
Mostly travelating through the whole airport. You can't say walking.
The airport-
Because we're not walking.
Yeah, we're technically not walking.
We're travelating.
We're basically just chilling on the travelator and watching planes and talking, and also show everybody your Paris edition nails. Ta-da! Mine are this. Somebody's coming. You side ajo. Sorry. How excited are you for Paris?
A lot.
What is the most exciting thing you want to do?
Everything.
One thing.
Everything's exciting.
You have to give one thing.
No, I wanna do it.
Okay, one. Fine. I think one of the most exciting things that
I got it.
What?
Disneyland.
Mine is to see sparkly Eiffel Tower.
Oh, that's also beautiful.
है ना?
Mine's also.
Yours are also really nice.
Mine's also to see the basketball match.
Hey, I want to check out some books. Can we stop? Do a pit stop?
Yes, we're taking a pit stop at.
You hold the camera. I'm going to check out the book.
We're taking a pit stop at the bookstore.
You want to check out something? They have wimpy kids.
The bookstore. Yay! Woohoo. Okay. So we've got lots of books, obviously.
I've not read this one. I have it in my collection though.
So I'm gonna choose myself a book.
Don't. You know why? Come outside, I'll tell you. Come. Let's go on the travelator, I'll tell you. I was window shopping, by the way. We can't buy a book. We have like 10 kgs each on our shoulders. Ivan, what did you do to the camera? Why is the screen green?
Why are we green?
What did you do? Did you press something? Ivan, what did you do? Hold this.
When you want.
कुछ press किया था आपने? It's fine now. You did manual focus or something. हमारे bags इतने heavy हो रहे हैं. We can't afford to buy anything.
I was actually fixing it.
Fixing what?
Fixing it that I'm gonna buy a book. Because I'm not gonna buy a book.
I don't think so. You were fake saying it.
I was fixing it.
I don't think so.
I was.
Stop lying.
I was.
Stop lying.
I was.
You're lying.
I was.
You're lying.
I was.
Bye, Ivan. Bye, Ivan.
I said I was lying.
Oh. Hey, we've reached the last travelator. Okay guys, I'm taking you along on our journey to Pahi, where my camera will be in focus sometimes. It's not focusing. It's in focus now. It is currently 6 a.m. Somewhere around 6 a.m. I'm running on my iced cappuccino. उसके आगे कुछ नहीं है. Let's go back. There's nothing. There's a police officer and nobody. Let's go back to this side.
We're going back.
So Ivan's gonna also help me vlog a little, and we were showing you guys our nails for the trip, and we mentioned how Disneyland and sparkly Eiffel Tower is gonna be the highlight of our trip, isn't it?
Yeah.
What else? I have one more thing.
Basketball game.
Yes, that's also there, but that was not what I was gonna talk about. Should I tell you? Can you throw this in the bin for me?
Zurich.
No, Zurich is there, but yummy butter croissant. Delicious.
You got me on that.
है ना? Delicious.
Wait, let me fill my bottle.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, for the flight you can fill the bottle, but then your bag will have weight. वहाँ plane में पानी ले लेना. You मत भरो. You आपके shoulder में दर्द हो रहा है already. That's the thing. अगर बच्चे को किसी चीज़ की चुल है तो आप कुछ भी कर लो, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. I was telling everybody that you have reached a stage where if you want to do something,
You should do it.
yeah, I am unable to change your mind, you know.
Yeah.
If you want to do something, then me, like, I am unable to change your mind.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's continue our travel vlog. I shall see you guys.
On the plane.
See ya later.
Bye.
I can't believe. And here we are boarding. Bye bye Delhi. And somebody has taken my window seat, and he has two windows. I'm jealous that you're a baby and you get to take my window. Okay, I'm gonna tell you later about Finnair. But for now, it's time to see some TV.
Have a pleasant flight. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the Finnair hospitality with us. Thank you.
Good morning. Hi guys, we are in
Paris.
We are in Paris. This is our Airbnb. Ivan's having some cereal. This is our bed.
With some French milk,
Yes.
which actually tastes amazing.
Yes. This is a little mirror next to our bed, which I absolutely love. I'm gonna get ready here only. A little space to keep luggage. This has some dishes as well. This is our little kitchen. Fridge, microwave is inside. Our washroom and our little cute balcony, which I absolutely love. A little French balcony, if I may say so. Guys, I have something to update. Yesterday, I think I last vlogged when we left from Delhi, and since then I've taken certain clips from my phone, but I did not vlog. That was not the plan. That happened because we have had the worst flight. By we, I want to say more than me, Ivan has had his worst flight of his life. In the morning in Delhi from Starbucks, Ivan had a muffin, which I think वो पुराना था. and Ivan fell sick in the plane. पहले तो फर्स्ट जब प्यूक हुआ तो आई थॉट कि ओ मे बी सूट नहीं किया है. let me first give you a little background. Ivan is one of the most एयर फ्रेंडली पर्सन. बचपन से ही इसको कभी उल्टियाँ नहीं हुई, कभी एयर सिकनेस नहीं हुई. एंड so when this happened, it was pretty unusual, but I took it like okay, Ivan felt sick because उसने muffin खाया, उसके tummy को सूट नहीं किया है. Then he had his next puke when he had a cookie and some Sprite. That's when I was like, oh my god, his stomach is unable to keep food, and the medicine that I give him for puking is in my check-in luggage. It's not in my handbag. I only had Crocin in my handbag, nothing else. And Crocin will not stop puking. From that moment onwards, 9 hours और तब तक 6 घंटे बचे होंगे, 6 hours. Ivan went through so much. Ivan, do you want to share what you went through in that 9-hour flight from Delhi to Helsinki?
No, because I'm having.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Ivan went through a lot. He had migraine, and migraine was really wild. Then he had stomach pain. It was just, Ivan and I both have cried in the plane. I was crying for him, he was crying because he was in pain. हम लोग हेलसिंकी पहुँचे. हेलसिंकी में हमारा लिटरली हमारी फ़्लाइट लेट हो गई 30 मिनट्स. तो हम लैंड हुए हैं और हमारा गेट ओपनिंग का अनाउंसमेंट हो रहा था. एंड वी हैड टू डू सिक्योरिटी, वी हैड टू डू इमिग्रेशन. हर जगह पे आई हैड टू टेल, एंड दे मेड मी थ्रो वाटर. मेरे पास ORS था, आई वांटेड टू गिव हिम ORS बट पानी नहीं था. अ लॉट हैपेंड बिकॉज हेलसिंकी में, अगर हमारा हेलसिंकी में लेओवर होता तो आप वहीं ठीक हो जाते हैं, है ना, क्योंकि हम थोड़ा रिलैक्स करके अपना सिक्योरिटी करते हैं.
लेओवर नहीं था.
समझी नहीं मैं.
लेओवर नहीं था. Like we go to security, we go to immigration, we go to our gate, we catch the flight.
अगर इसमें गैप होता,
like if there was a gap, we would probably go to, you know, like I don't know, maybe the lounge or something, or we would at least minimum have that ORS water on time and relax a little. Yeah.
And you would walk and sleep there a little, and then that would help you. But because we had back-to-back security and immigration, and I had to throw the water because they don't allow liquid, and then we had to go through security.
I think we should have had like 3-hour layover for me to get better.
Yeah, and we did not have that 3-hour layover, which we have on our way back, by the way. So we basically did not have water. We had a child who was about to faint, and he was energyless, and he was literally dragging himself, and we had a mother who was on panic mode and scared and alone. So I was going through a lot of stress that how would I manage this. I requested in security. All they did was let me go through security with special assistance area से जल्दी. And क्या हुआ?
About that ringing noise, that's our neighbors.
I don't know if you guys got it.
Sorry, that's just our neighbors.
तो हमें सिक्योरिटी में जल्दी निकले तो इमिग्रेशन में भागना था. इमिग्रेशन में भागे तो वहाँ जल्दी निकले तो हमारा गेट क्लोज हो रहा था. जब गेट तक पहुँचे तो पता चला फ्लाइट ही लेट हो गई है. इतना पैनिक करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं थी, लेकिन फिर उन्होंने खोल भी दिया कि हम प्लेन भर रहे हैं. फिर वहाँ बोला मैंने कि भाई मेरे बच्चे की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, तो उन्होंने फिर हमें प्लेन में भेजा. हमको बेसिकली ऑल इन अ नटशेल हमको पानी मिला प्लेन में. एंड जब हमको पानी मिला फिर इवान ने थोड़ा ORS वाला वाटर पिया और उससे उसकी तबीयत ठीक हुई a little bit. But migraine was still on, right? Migraine आपका I think 5-6 hours चला है या more than that.
My migraine stopped after we reached the Airbnb.
Yeah, imagine. Wow, that's crazy. It was basically one of the worst traveling experience because मेरे पास दवाइयाँ hand luggage में नहीं थी. Never gonna do that. I don't know why I did that. And the thing is, I've always traveled like this कि दवाइयाँ check-in में होती हैं और hand luggage में नहीं होती हैं. So that's even worse. Please, if you do that, change it, make a dawai wala pouch and keep it in your hand luggage. I only had Crocin in my hand luggage, which was a very stupid decision. Having Rantek on them for puking, having Ibugesic painkiller, having something for loosies. Like this should be your medical little pouch thingy, and which should go in your hand luggage. I have kicked my ass yesterday while watching Ivan in pain because obviously mommy guilt. I was like, oh my gosh, why don't I have medicine here? Why is it in check-in? But then we did not take the train. Basically now I'm trying to close this subject because I don't want this to be the entire pain element of our travel. I am glad that you got better post we took the second flight. I am so happy that you did not puke. I was praying to universe that you get better and it happened. So I'm glad that happened. And then obviously by that time I had my eSIM on. I was telling my mom and she was like, go take a taxi, don't take a train. And we were like, yeah, let's take a taxi. We reached our Airbnb. तब तक आप better हो गए थे काफी, है ना?
But I still had a bit of migraine.
मतलब weakness भी थी, but at least थोड़े stable हो गए थे. Did you finish that?
No, I still have a bit more.
Okay, you continue that. We reached Airbnb, and the minute we reached Airbnb, because Ivan had not puked, I was like, दवाई तो मैं तुझे बाद में दूंगी. I saw a supermarket. I was like, let's just go get some milk and cereal. I know he enjoys that, and for now he should have something light. So we got milk and cereal, and
Which I'm having right now.
which you're having right now, and you had
And I'm out of cereal.
and you had that yesterday. So then gave Ivan medicine, Ivan had cereal, and he slept. The minute he slept, it was all like, now this is gonna be recovery time. So we had a very eventful basically start of the trip, and I think the worst is over. That was it. अब इसके बाद से लेकर के हमारी पूरी ट्रिप बहुत अच्छी जाने वाली है. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Guys, मैंने जाने से पहले मैनिक्योर कराया था. ये जो मैंने जेल नेल्स कराए थे.
Super chips.
I don't know what happened. This never. ये नहीं, वो वहाँ पे dry पड़े हैं. ये this is only for if face or if we need some like during the traveling. नहीं, इधर नहीं, उधर पड़े हैं पीछे गैस के पास में.
Oh. By the way, this is not gas. It doesn't use gas.
अच्छा हाँ, what is it called? भूल गई हूँ मैं.
Heater.
नहीं, इसको कुछ बोलते थे. Hot plate.
हाँ, hot plate.
Hot plate.
It just heats up the.
Are you making me my coffee?
Yes, obviously.
Because I want to have coffee before we go to Franprix. We are now headed to Franprix.
We'll be vlogging the way there.
Are we? No, we
Yes.
won't. We'll
Come on.
No, we won't. I don't want to carry camera with us.
Come on, it'll be fun. It'll be fun if we vlog the way there. Right? Right?
Oh, thanks. Now I can see you. We are now headed to, after Ivan makes me some capsule coffee which our Airbnb people have given, which Ivan was very excited to try, and so am I.
am very good
This
at
is not the coffee machine. Uske saath wali hai.
Oh, I know, I'm just moving this.
Do you want me to move my... Why are you moving this? You need
So
to...
that there's more,
वहाँ पे plug है. First check that
so that
thing.
there's just more space.
अरे बाबा.
I like more space.
I get that. उधर plug भी है, और do you need to move the coffee machine and not this? अगर वहाँ plug नहीं है, वो check करो.
Plug nahi hai.
हाँ, so you need to pick that instead of this. Guys, coffee machine नहीं चल रही है हमसे. हम चलाएंगे. Guys, come to the balcony of our little studio. This is so cute. And कल रात को 10 बजे तक sunset नहीं हुआ था. And all I could think was that I'm going to sit here and talk to you all and shoot some reels.
I worked the coffee machine.
How?
You just move that little pedal thing.
Let me see. One second.
I am so smart.
You are so smart, you.
And then you put this like this.
Huh.
And then you put this back here.
Wow.
Then you fill this with water.
Okay. You use my cup, fill the water, and then put it there. These are the cookies that we got from the plane, which are very like gonna come handy for my brekkie. Although I have got some whole truth protein mini bars that I'm gonna be enjoying. आज का प्लान ये है कि हम पहले जा रहे हैं फ्रॉन्प्री. We're gonna get some snacks for all our mornings. We need some milk, some bread and butter, some strawberries and raspberries. And then after that, today we are going to Eiffel Tower. Oh my god, Ivan, we are going to the Eiffel Tower.
Victory dance.
Yay! And then after that, Ivan will tell you what we are doing next.
We're going for a basketball game.
If you know me, actually, if you know my son, coffee machine! First coffee, give me coffee, please give me coffee, yes to coffee, yeah, coffee. Love the sound of a coffee machine. This looks delish. Bonjour, je parle en français avec vous. Hi guys. We are back from the supermarket. Let me show you guys what I got for our mornings to be easy. We have coffee out here, and we have Chef Ivan out here. So we got some essentials. One of them is blueberries, some Greek yogurt for me, pour moi, because j'aime protein. Bear with my broken French. I used to live in this city for 4 years. I have a B2 degree in Francais and I don't remember any of it now. We got some milk for my milky boy. This goes in. We have to set it up here one by one, so you'll have to open this up and set it up. We got some fraise, some strawberry from me and Ivan both. Fraise. What else we got? Thank you.
Protein.
Some protein bar for me. Raw fruit and fruit nut bar. I'm gonna put it here. Wow, this is amazing. Some apple mango yogurt for my boy. Oh, banana. We don't need this packet. वैसे भी फटी रही है. इसको तो आप.
Sneaker.
Oh yes, sneaker for me for tomorrow for Disneyland. I'll keep it in the fridge. Snickers and banana. We are sitting in our bed to do some Duolingo French, some basic sentences which we should know. And then after that we are going to take a shower, get ready, and then we are
Going to Eiffel. I'm not in the camera.
Oh.
We're going to Eiffel, which is one place that if you come to France, it's a must visit. Like, if you don't visit it, there's no point of coming here.
We actually saw Eiffel from
The plane, so this is our second time.
Okay, see you in a bit. Hi guys, I have finally taken a shower and gotten ready. This is my outfit. Excited to go to, I still have to do my hair. I'm not going like this, but I did not get my hair dryer. I have to think about either getting a dry shampoo for tomorrow, because tomorrow we are going to Disneyland. अभी हम लोग अपना यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा खाएंगे जो लेके आए हैं, yogurt, and Ivan will have some of his cake. He's feeling better, no puke situation, which is a big yay. And once we leave, our game is at 6 o'clock, so we have a lot of time to just chill, relax, sit somewhere if we wanna. That's the plan. Hello. That's my lunch or snack, whatever we call it, and I have prepared this plate for little Eva. Bon appetito, sir.
Keep it in.
There?
I'll try to reach it.
No, once you're eating, you can pick it and put it on your lap. And that's the view. This is gonna be our view for every day, and this is gonna be our little space to have our meals.
Technically not every day. Every day there will be different cars.
Hello. हाँ अब तो सब सही है, हो गई तबीयत ठीक, पैरिस आके सब ठीक हो गया. This is so delicious. Strawberry. Hi guys. Casually having some ice cream. Where, Ivan? Where? Just a regular park, I think. Yeah. And our view is ta-da! That's our view, guys. We are in Paris. Ivan actually already took a Eiffel Tower picture. Look, that pigeon is having some snacks with that woman. You took one Polaroid picture, right? You want to show? After your ice cream. That's the view. It's super hot. We're having some ice cream. That's medium size margarita for the boy who has not had solid food since yesterday. Bon appetit. Whoa. Okay. Too bright. Good morning, guys. Say good morning to sleepy Ivan. Yesterday we came back by 12 o'clock.
Guess what? Paris won the game and I got a souvenir out of it.
Noise. Coffee machine nahi chal rahi hai for some reason. Gonna message the Airbnb guy. We are getting teeny tad bit late, but we are waiting for Ivan to finish his brekkie, and then we will go. I'm having my whole truth ka protein bar thingy.
Let's see which protein bar it is today. No.
Okay. I won't say. I'm shuffling it. Going till the bottom. Not saying anything somehow. It is double cocoa mini for today. This one.
Cute.
Thanks. You gotta hurry, buddy. We have to get ticket for the train. We have to go to Châtelet, change the train. Then we go to Disney train. हमको अभी तक निकल जाना चाहिए था. So we are running like 20 minutes late.
It's not my fault that I eat so.
Okay.
So you're telling me to rush?
Kind of.
Okay.
हमारी एनर्जी थोड़ी और अप होगी shortly once we have entered Disneyland, and once I have some coffee in my system, which I have not gotten. I'm afraid the minute I drink coffee I will want to poop, so we'll see. I hope Disneyland will have clean toilets and I can poop in Disneyland Paris. Okay, I'm gonna keep my battery and take you guys around for Disneyland. Yesterday was so much fun. We met our favorite player and clicked a picture with him. Oh my god, इतना चिल्लाई हूँ मैं कल that my voice is already a little low. I was like, hey, Robinson! It was so much fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, see you all later in Disneyland with a little more awake and energetic me and super energetic Ivan. We are seriously late, Ivan. While I'm talking slowly, we are seriously late. Talk to you all later.